Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Adobe Generative Fill for free. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open up a browser of your choice and search for Adobe Firefly. Open the first site that comes up and simply log in with your account. Now, if you don't have any account, then simply create one so that you can continue along. And after logging in, scroll down a bit until you see Explore Firefly. Once you see it, click on it. Remember to select Firefly and not the Photoshop button. Know that this web page keeps updating, so the Explore Firefly button is displayed to a new location every now and then. Anyway, so after that, all of the Adobe beta features will appear in front of you for free. You can try it anything you want, but since this tutorial is about generative fill, we'll select generative fill feature and it will open up in the new tab. You can see that it opens without any problem. To start using it, upload any image you want to use generative fill on, and you can then just paint over the place where you want to use the generative fill and type the prompt to use it efficiently. And you have the choice to select from the 4 choices, but if you don't like any one of them, simply click on more and some new ones will appear. After you are done using it, you can download it at the top right corner, but it will download with a small watermark at the bottom. But there's always catch with something totally free to use, and it's totally acceptable. And that's how you can use Adobe Generative Fill for free. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.